Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you guys about meteors and comet. Meteors, also called as shooting star, been a mystery to man. Today astronomers feel that they have a pretty good idea of what meteors are. They believe them to be broken fragments of comets. When the comets break up, the millions of fragments continue to move through space as meteors swarm or stream. The swarm moves in regular orbit or path through space. Some of the larger fragments may become detached and travel through space singularly. Most individual meteors are quite small, but occasionally there are some that weigh many tons. They usually destroy they are usually destroyed entirely by the heat when they pass through the Earth's atmosphere. Only the larger ones reach the Earth. When a piece of meteor reaches the Earth, it is called a meteorite. The largest one found so far weighed between 60 and 70 tons and is still in its resting place in Africa. There are two main kinds of meteorites. Those are composed chiefly of nickel and iron. They are called the metallic meteorites. Some are composed of minerals and look like pieces of igneous rock formed by intense heat. These are called the stony meteors or asteroids. The outer surface of either kind usually have black crusts, which are the result of the terrific heat experienced in passing through the atmosphere of planets. And well, in the case of comet, in olden times, people trembled with fear when they saw a comet. They believed that the comets were evil signs foretelling plague, war, and death. Of course, we no longer believe this, but some people still wonder if a comet could cause harm to Earth. Suppose a comet explodes. As far as we know, comets do not explode, but they do break up. For example, there was a certain comet that has been observed several times. Then in 1846, it split into two, making a pair of comets. Finally, both parts broke up into bits too small to be seen. These pieces are thought to be showers of meteorites that we see regularly in late November. So it would seem that the comets do eventually die. They do not they do this by breaking up, then scattering along their orbit in the form of meteorite dust. A comet is not a solid chunk of matter. Scientists think that comets are made up of great swarms of solid matter combined with gas. The brightest part of the comet is the head. The center of the head is made up of the heaviest material and is called the nucleus. Around the nucleus is the part known as the coma. The coma. It is a hazy cloud-like cover that may be 101 like 50,000 miles or more across, and the tail of a comet is made up of very thin gases and fine particles. So even though a comet looks pretty solid when it glows across the sky, it is really mostly tiny particles and gas. So friends, now you know about comets and meteorites. For more interesting videos, please continue to like and subscribe my